2022 is the new year where I start with a new mindset. I'm wanting to make better choices when it comes to cleaning products around my home, and I'm trying to learn more about eco-friendly products. Just like you, I've mainly been picking things because of convenience, what I've seen around other people using, and also the price of the cleaning products. So this year, I'm wanting to try find out more about eco-friendly products. What are they? What does it mean to have eco-friendly products? And what is eco-friendly cleaning? I want to have less plastic, less products, and less toxic fumes. I've asked the questions, let's find out the answer together. So I'm unboxing from Purevo Hygiene, and this is the bamboo toilet roll. I've never come across bamboo toilet roll, and there's 6 of them, and I'm excited to try those out. And then the next one is the Evie Blue product, and yeah, I'm excited to try this one out. And this is the Evie Blue kitchen cleaner. The first one was the carpet cleaner, so this is the kitchen cleaner. And this is the bottle, so it comes with the bottles and the sachets, I believe. And this is the floor cleaner. It's from the Dina collection. It's probiotic, and I'm really excited to try out the probiotic ones because I've never come across those before. So I'm excited to try those out.
Then we have an all-purpose
the
cleaner.
lavender all-purpose cleaner, and the interior one from Evie Blue collection as well. It's for interiors. And this is the glass cleaner. Really excited to try out, and this is the sanitizer. Can't wait to try that one out as well. Yeah, I really wonder what it smells like. So I'm actually loving that they give me the bottles as well. So every product has its bottle. So no mixing and no getting confused. This is the patchouli rain. It's an all-purpose cleaner. Can't wait to smell that one. And then the carpet cleaner. We've already got the bottle for that, so that's the sachets for it. And then this one is the interior. And wow, there's quite a lot of products. So I'm gonna put this bottle together, and this one is for, I think it's for the sanitizer. So this is sanitizer. I'm really excited to try all these out. Quite a lot of products. And thank you, they added some wipes as well. And I think this is their floor cleaner. No, universal cleaner, sorry. So I'm really excited. It's also probiotic. I'm really excited to see what those are, and thank you for the wipes. And this is the sanitary cleaner as well, and this one, oh, I'm excited to try that one out as well. So many products. And so yeah, I got this is from Purevo Hygiene, and I reached out to them, and they have got fantastic products so far. So they are eco products, and I'm excited to try them out. Found them on Instagram, and I'm going to put them to the test and see if their peanuts are, do they dissolve. At the moment, no. So far they're not dissolving, which is okay because everybody has an opportunity to learn, and we're all moving and transitioning to eco products. So bamboo toilet roll. Wow, this is the first time I've actually ever come across bamboo toilet roll, and it is so soft. Wow. I'm actually surprised I've never come across it before, but nice and soft. So the first product I'm going to try out is the Evie Blue kitchen cleaner. I love the packaging already, and it's got the instructions at the back, and it's easy to use. You just flip the box and you just take out the little sachets, which is fantastic. So it ticks my 3 R's. It's refillable, recyclable, and got the plastic bottle, so it's reusable. So I need to put 500 mils. Okay, so now it's ready. It's nice and yellow. It's got a little bit of foam at the top, so I'm excited to see how well it's going to work to remove grease and a bit of dust. Looking at my hood of the cooker, which has been busy since Christmas. So I'm going to do a little patch test, and I'm actually surprised because it doesn't foam up. And if you're like me and you thought products always have to create foam to make it look like they're working, I'm learning that's not always the case. So far with just that little amount, I'm impressed with how much it's kind of removed the grease and the dust. And it doesn't have a strong smell, so which is a bonus. Let's see how well it works. Let's see the cleaning power. But it's literally melting off, which is fantastic. I wish you could see what I see. I've tried to zoom in as much as I can, but you can't really see it, but it's really, really working so fast. You can just see it on the edge of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my elbow grease scrubber. You know, maybe if I can describe it like this, when we got your foundation and you cry and just how those little streaks. Fabulous. It works so well. It's literally melted all the grease and all the dust. So far I'm quite impressed. So I'm going to get my cloth and I'm just going to wipe off all the excess product that's left. And I think I might repeat the process again. All the excess dirt's come off. I'm not sure if you can see that. So I'm really impressed with the fragrance. It's not strong. It's like almost not there, which is great because like sometimes when it's kitchen stuff, it's always strong and citrusy, but this one doesn't have that. So I'm really impressed with that. And for most people who like eco stuff, they don't like strong scents. And yeah. So now I've just dried everything off and I've taken off all the excess product. It's leaving the surface not sticky at all, so I'm really impressed. I'm going to do the other side now. See the grease melting off. So as I'm wiping away the product, you can see the surface is so shiny. It's literally streak free. Wow, like I can't praise this. I'm actually really impressed. Like I actually really underestimated. So I'm gonna put it to the test and see if it works underneath the hood. Can it remove burnt on food splashes, oil and grease, and a bit of rust? So let's test it out. I'm gonna try and remove all of this right now. So now we're gonna do this side. Yep, it does remove all the hard stains too. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm really impressed. I actually thought it's not going to remove the tough stains. I really underestimated it because I thought it doesn't form and doesn't have any form. It means that it's not going to remove any of the harsh burnt on food or grease or whatever, but it's really done a fantastic job taking everything off. And yeah, I really highly recommend this product. I'm so impressed. Really thoroughly impressed. Like I didn't really expect it to be able to remove so much in a short amount of time. So yeah, I highly recommend it. So yeah, I really highly recommend this cleaning product. Like I really am very impressed. I love that it's eco. I love that it doesn't have a strong smell, and I love that, you know, it works really, really well. I think it could actually compete with some of my leading brands, the ones that I normally love to use, like elbow grease and the pink stuff. I feel like it could actually compete. Yeah, it's done a fantastic job. I really underestimated it earlier and I thought it wasn't going to do a great job, but it did. It's literally left everything shiny. And yeah, so if you guys want to get more information about this product, the link in the bio, and you can follow the company on Instagram. I'll also include the link at the bottom. All the grease that was here is officially melted off and it's gone. And at the top there, it's now officially streak free, grease free, everything free. Like there's literally everything's come off and it's sparkling and it's shiny. Yeah, apologies for the lighting, but it is winter and I have to do the best that I can with the time that I have. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and yeah, look forward to more reviews from the same company next week where I'll be trying out some more. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you on the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.